Well, he attack me. But Jayden chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, when you find the Gaza Station, welcome to the channel. Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Bounty Killa's most recent post has been met with mixed reviews, but at no point in time I feel like say, yo, Bounty Killa is a troll, Movado. Bounty Killa is entitled to making these statements because they are true to the letter T. Now, viewers and subscribers, Bounty Killa said Transformation Mondays are who them youth ya people, and put up a video of what seems to be Movado and Flex when nothing at all never go on for them. No, Bounty go on to say, I saw transform get up people picnic from nothing to something. Tag them. It's a mighty long way. A far we are forward from. Give thanks, Bounty Killa voice. Now, viewers and subscribers, that statement is a true statement. This is the facts of the matter. Bounty say I saw transform get up people picnic from nothing to something. And no Movado alone him do it for. And look at it too. While helping Movado, him simultaneously help Flex, and also the other members are people did close to Movado at that point in time. Same thing for Vybz Kartel, same thing for Sham them, Ellie, you name the people, viewers and subscribers that Bounty Killa and the Alliance movement has helped in a dancehall music. Now the fans are saying this. The fans are saying this. One fan said at the end of the day, big respect goes out to you. You know what I mean? And him respect the growth that Bounty has been showing in a dancehall music. And him say father are father and sons are sons. Them say big up Addi and big up David. You help both of them to better their lives and the lives of their families. Now one other Bounty did agree with that comment too as well. Now this is the comment where I feel like say create the whole controversy. Somebody said, "Why hear Movado come cuss Bounty now?" And said, "Don't post my pic." Just like when Vybz Kartel post a pic of Dante and I say, "Yo, go on do it, youth." You know what I mean? And showed words of endurement. I show him say, go and tough it out. At the first, the youth I got through that situation. Yeah. And the teacher say, big up yourself, youth. You know what I mean? You have shown merit in your character. Movado get them feelings and start like a wall of things. Now, other fans chimed in after this fan made this comment. They must say, mind corrupt. So them can't say or do anything better. Are just people these days. Someone else said, that's why so much animosity in the music industry. Some of the fans them too negative and love unnecessary drama. No, in truth and in fact, when that person made that comment, in truth, viewers and subscribers, them simply to point out how Movado sometimes reacts dark when people make posts of this nature. They not have to even mention him. Vybz Kartel never said nothing about Movado. He make mention of Dante, and Movado take that in the wrong context, make a whole heap of post, make a whole heap of rant, and they will see him find himself and then calm down. Even though some people say it was very strategic, him did not do it just to promote the couple new songs we see him put out that did not hit. These songs did not hit. Him did give him a response from the fans and people that pay attention to him, but the song was subpar, so nobody really pay him no mind. Bounty a general. Bounty can say it because it is the truth. We cannot credit no other artist with the rise and in popularity of Movado and his music other than Bounty Killa. Yes, remember, Bounty said, I think a Footer introduced Mov to him. You know what I mean? I don't know Footer that big selector at that point in time. At that point in time, right now. At that point, let's just leave it at that. And from there, you know what I mean, the rest was history. But the way Movado react now, and the fact that, and yes, we do remember what Vybz Kartel say, but why discuss all matters unless of your educational purpose? So moving right on and talking about the matter at hand, the way we see Vado angle situation, theme situation with Bounty, would I think it had resolved it years ago? The fact that money, the fact that a US citizenship, not even think of citizenship, I think it's a green card him up. The fact that these documents and money can make you feel like you're above the people and will help you out, and feel like there is no going back to that lifestyle so you can burn the bridges. I'm not support that. I'm not support no artists with that mindset, because right now, as simple as you see it flex. Even Alka them or Jamil them, and him not give Alka and Jamil no career. But even if, and some would say, what career do they have anyway? But that's a reason for a different time. Even if them for separate themselves from Movado now and make certain talk against Movado, he would have been the first person to jump up and say them to you, they're ungrateful, and them this and them that, and he not do nothing for them. So imagine somebody like Bounty Killa who bring this youth to go to studio. Tell producer, say, yo, put him on the juggling rhythm. Put him on the juggling rhythm. And then the way him angle himself and the way him deal with him, I say, yo, Bounty right for so him say. And that person who made that comment and I say, yo, wants him move come cuss now. Yo, a reality. Because from what they are saying, I move dark. As soon as somebody say Movado like him, I say, he in a offensive mode. I don't even offensive. Him in such of a defensive mode that almost become an offense. Yeah, him so defensive when people say the word mob. And we are talking about help youth and transform youth. Right now, mob data the music. What am I do for her? Right now, Movado data the music. What is he doing for her? Not all in do for her. Not even a feature. He wouldn't even give her a feature. Look what the teacher do for theme youth them. Look what the teacher do for theme youth them. Movado wouldn't even help theme. But even if he opened the doors, the last time I heard her public statement was that she not really in a much contact with her father. And in the help her no time in her musical journey. These were her words. She said Movado not help her no time. And then I come talk about them do for people and them do for dancehall music. And them have them youth. I do dancehall music and then them can't even lend a helping hand. No one hear from some of them, you know. And if him ever found out about him and cuss Father Bounty or this dancehall music or this him. If him ever found out and make no negative post about Father Bounty after Father Bounty put out a post like this, no sir. If him try that, if him ever as a matter of fact, we know Movado and we know him move, but him smarter than that. Him know when not to say nothing. Him know when to just shut up. Twitter fingers, put them in your pocket. I got roll a split. Him know when him do something else with him time. But doubt him gonna make no response right now to Father Bounty for the poster. Plus, Bounty not say nothing wrong. Bounty say a transformation Monday, so no go tag him dancehall. If you don't know who these two individuals are, I told them go let them born rich. Well, I'm not asking about Flex. Flex just a follow Move. And a regular will see man Move jump off and he must say, oh, now link up back with Move. And they will see them link up back again. But I saw the something go. You know what I mean? The friendship probably thicker than what I go on with. You know what I mean? Certain little aspects of the media. Because majority of the time when you see people and people jump off of the media. And like they must say, yo, they don't realize the blood thicker than water. I don't know, friendship at the end of the day bigger than media popularity. So some people really confuse the two. Some people confuse admiration from the fans as the same thing as love and respect for your friend them. And another the same thing, these people are the people who know you from nothing and go on and who will probably still be your friends if your career go away. The fans will pay no mind if you stop music because you are no longer making music with your fans. If your music wouldn't know you personally. So if you now put out the music, you'll fade from memory. You'll just simply fade from memory, and that's natural effect. You can even know people and stop being in contact with them, and over the years, them slightly fade from memory. So the same thing with artists, musicians, movie stars, any celebrity you want to talk about. As long as you now see them doing what you know them for, you forget about them. But I said the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent and the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon. then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers. You know there's something, go like icon there too, drop a like on the vlog, include share icon in close proximity. You can tell a friend, tell a sister, and then brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion via the comment section. It's always open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You know the settings go. Yeah, man, I move settings from I wouldn't need no lot, and my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.